Welcome to another Fast Tech video. Before we start, please go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And click the bell next to the subscribe button if you want to get notifications. That lets YouTube know that we're doing the right thing. It costs you nothing and it helps us out a lot. So please go ahead and do that before we start this video. This video is brought to you by the Fast Tech Pro Auto Kit, which is an automatic screwdriver plus bit set that you need to disassemble any electronics device, including your Xbox, your PlayStation, your Apple iPhone, MacBook, you name it. Links in the description box, and you can use the coupon code YouTube for a discount. Let's get started. In this one, I'm gonna be unboxing an iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is the 1TB edition. This is the top of the line iPhone. This is the best iPhone that you can buy at the time I'm making this video, which is in November of 2021. These came out 2 months ago, and it was very difficult to get my hands on one of these. I had to wait about a month after pre-ordering for this to be delivered. At the back, we got some pull tabs. Before I proceed any further, I just want to point out that this is the gold 1TB edition, which, as I mentioned previously, is the highest capacity iPhone that you can buy. iPhone 13 Pro Max. I generally always go for the high-end phones, always top of the line. Lift this up, and we immediately see the phone. The cameras are noticeably bigger than previous versions. This was my previous phone, which is an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we skipped a generation this time. And as you can see, there's a significant difference in the camera size. And they'd be slightly bigger than the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But going from the 11 Pro Max to this, the camera size is increased by a lot. So we're gonna get that out of the way. I really like the fact that they brought back the flat sides. I really like that in the iPhone 4 it was, I believe. That was the first phone. That was the first iPhone to have flat sides. Believe it or not, I'm getting rid of my 11 Pro Max because it stopped working because the memory is full. Can you believe that? The memory got full on it, and now it won't even load into the operating system. Now, this is something that can be fixed with a software update. But I figured since this was out of space, I was running out of the 512 gig space. I have the 4 or 5TB iCloud package, which I believe is the highest iCloud package that you can get. But it still ran out of space and stopped working. This is something that can be fixed with a software update, but it's annoying regardless, especially because there's a lot of data on here that I needed. So I'm gonna have to look into data recovery, but that's neither here nor there. Lightning to USB-C cable. SIM release pin. That loaded fairly quickly. Usual setup screen here. There you go. See what I'm saying? A setup has become like so, it used to be, you know, press a few buttons, you're in the operating system, but these days it's more and more of a chore. It's like a half an hour thing. Not now. See what I'm saying? Now it's asking me all these stupid questions about analytics. I don't really give a fuck, Apple. Why do I want to help you with your research? It's not my job. Now this is going to take another couple of hours, I would imagine. Who knows? Something that's mandatory for a new phone like this is a phone case and a screen protector, both of which I had ordered from our website at fasttechstore.com or fasttech.ca in advance, in anticipation for this moment. And you can do the same, and you can use the coupon code YouTube for a discount. Links for these are going to be in the description box. First, we're going to put on the screen protector. In this package, we get two. One for later, when this one inevitably cracks, because these do crack. These are not unbreakable, just like your phone screen isn't. Better this break than the phone though. Also included are camera protectors, which we're going to be putting on later on. I'll show you guys those in a minute. And what's also included are wipes. We are going to need these. It's an alcohol pad in here. We're going to use that to wipe it down. We want to make sure there's no dust particles on there, otherwise it'll create air bubbles. Now we're gonna get our screen, and you're gonna see that there's a tab here that we can remove, and the side where there's a tab and plastic that covers it is the side that's gonna go on the phone. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this down slightly. As you can see, that layer of plastic is coming off. Then we're gonna line it up. The best way to do it is against the top bezel, because it gives us an idea of where it should be. All right, now as it's lined up, we can start pushing it down slightly and then pull the tape. And push down, push down. Make sure it's lined up as you go along. And continue pushing from this side to avoid air bubbles. Small little dust particle up here. Gonna use our dust absorber, which is also included, and take off this dust. Basically redo the whole fucking thing. So the dust, little dust particles somehow got in. Not today, motherfuckers. Not today. So you can use this thing to remove any dust particles that might be on there. Make sure there's none on the protector.
All right, let's get it.
that air bubble out. Yes. That one looks like it went on perfectly. Yes. No air bubbles, no dust balls, nothing. Clean, professional. Okay. And we're gonna put this on here. This is our camera protection. This should be much easier to put on than the screen protector. Perfect. You can't even see that it's there, and it's protecting my cameras, because as you know, on these models the camera sticks out quite a lot and you don't want to damage these cameras. I do have Apple Care, but I don't want to go through the process of having to send my phone in and then having to back it up, because Apple Care does not cover data backups. But that looks really good. You can't tell that it's there. It's, you know, covering, protecting the camera and doing its job, and it's completely clear. I can see the cameras through it. And I gotta say, these cameras really do have a presence. Now I'm gonna put a see-through clear case from Spigen onto my phone, and we also sell this case along with the screen protector and the lens protector. We also sell this whole kit as a combo on our website, and links are going to be in the description and in the top comment. Well, I'm also going to be doing a review on this phone later on. I got to use it for a few days, get familiar with it, and then I'm going to be dropping that video in a month or two. Thanks for watching another video from Fast Tech. Don't forget to smash the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Press the bell next to the subscribe button if you want to get notifications. And check out my vlog channel in which I travel the world and I record my adventures. I promise you won't be disappointed. This is Shiroz from Fast Tech signing out, and I'll see you in the next one.